So what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you're having an amazing day, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at MIUI 10 Oreo for our Redmi Note 3 Kenzo. So I know many of you guys have been asking this me a whole lot of time, that there are so many GSIs and DSSIs floating around whether they boot or not on our Redmi Note 3, and in past couple of days developers have made it possible to just boot this DSSI from the Mi Max 3, yes, not Mi Max 1, 2, just directly 3, to our Redmi Note 3 Pro. So as you guys wondered why all the phones like Redmi Note 5 Pro and Redmi Note 4 are booting Oxygen OS and stuff and MIUI Pi and everything, then what's wrong with Redmi Note 3 and 5? Well, I seriously don't know what's wrong with the Redmi Note 5, but with the Redmi Note 3, as I have heard, the processor is ancient. Yes, it's the VNDK 26, I guess, which is not capable of running DSSIs, just your normal treble, because the treble wasn't actually discussed when the Snapdragon 650 was in making. At least that's what I have heard. I seriously don't think it's true, cause it's the same issue with my Galaxy S9 Plus 2. I mean, it's a Exynos processor, but still the reason is pretty much the same. But somehow I managed to boot MIUI 10 Pi on it. Yep, here you go. Here is the picture. So I guess the reason goes much more deeper, and I have to learn a lot in this field now, cause yeah, it finally booted. Like, this is a miracle. So as you can see, it runs pretty fine, but there are so many bugs right now. Like, developer almost calls it a alpha, not even the beta, cause it's so unstable, but still it's a bit far away from your daily driver usage. I mean, there is a battery drain, there are a whole lot of force closes and camera issues and stuff, but seriously there are many ports like from Nitrogen, and this is one from Amog, I guess. Yep, Amog's build. And it runs pretty fine. This is the first build actually. There are more MIUI Pro builds now, but this is my favorite one. So let's just take a look around. This is MIUI 10. I mean, it's completely same from the Marshmallow to Oreo, but you do get AI preloading and stuff, but it's still pretty slow. For example, let's just try security app. There you go, open pretty quick. If you just close the app now, open it again, there you go, opens up pretty quick. That's the AI preloading. Then let's just hop onto the settings. Go into the My Device. I guess this build is like 2 weeks old. Then go into the all specs, Android version 8.1 Oreo. Now this build is not based on MIUI 10.2, which would be the last update officially from Xiaomi. If you guys want me to cover the last beta update for this device, please let me know in the comment section below, cause it's out and it's been like a week. And it's pretty sad that it didn't continue the complete 5 years of its update cycle from Xiaomi, but 5 years is still a lot from Android standards, and it's pretty great. But now that this device is ancient, we have to actually move on. Yeah, I just recently bought this Redmi Note 6 Pro, and I am in pretty love with this phone. I mean, I have a Redmi Note 5, Redmi Note 5 Pro, then Redmi Note 4, but this phone is pretty good. I mean, if you are coming from a 10,000 rupee phone, this is a perfect upgrade at 13K. Then going back, there are some more features such as multiple users, which is pretty great. Then in display, you have contrast colors just removed completely. Scrolling down, you have normal stuff such as MI AI from China betas, then again full screen display, emergency SOS, pretty good. Then you have MIUI Lab, which has car mode and find photos in gallery, pretty good, nothing much. Going to the recent apps panel, you have split screen and stuff, just like split screen. It's introduced in Android Nougat, but Xiaomi has ported just everything like all on the MIUI ecosystem. Like, they have split screen just same as working on Marshmallow, which is just crazy. And then let's just talk about the bugs. So the stability of it, it's pretty great. I haven't actually encountered a lot of force closes as developers say, but then again, the battery life is kind of questionable with a SIM card. Again, the SIM card stability, like, I guess some of the people said Geo works, but the stability of it is questionable. Like, it just goes off after a few minutes. Again, Airtel and Idea VoLTE works or not, no one knows. Then the major one, camera. It takes like a minute to open. There you go, it's been like roughly 7 seconds to open, and then you have all of your modes over here such as video, portrait. Now the front portrait is also broken over here, so don't expect anything. Square, panorama, manual. Does anything even work in manual? Let's just try. Nope. So you have to just work around the normal photo and video mode. You do get AI, which is great and it works. You have also HDR mode, then again your flash works pretty great, and that's just it. Now if you're wondering I can just fix it by using Gcam, no, you're completely wrong. The Gcam just freezes like crazy. As you can see, I have a Google Pixel 3 camera over here. Again, takes like 8 seconds to open. Wow, I guess it's not opening at all. Okay, we will just leave that over there, and my phone just completely froze. Wow. So as you saw over there, not at all made for daily usage. Again, this ROM suffers from the same issue with from MIUI ported ROMs. Like, The brightness ladder, yeah, it's just completely broken. It has many steps of brightness over here, as you can see. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it for the first build of the MIUI 10 Oreo for our Redmi Note 3. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm not going to show you any kind of installation video right now cause it's not stable at all, but I will leave a link in the description for the official project. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you want more on this thing, please let me know in the comment section below. See you guys in the next one. Peace.